the job market is again constantly evolving, and AI is rapidly transforming. So the way we recruit and we hire talent is also changing based on how well you know about AI and the other AI tools and how frequently you use them. So, uh, so using AI tools for your interview preparation, you gain a significant advantage, is what I feel. And AI can provide personalized insights to yeah, your strengths and weaknesses. So that is the very first point where you can actually get personalized feedbacks and recommendations. Enhance practice, conducting realistic mock interviews with AI-powered virtual assistants and real-time feedbacks again on the communication skill and body language that you have. So additionally, AI-powered mock test uh, it allows interactive practice environment, allowing you in the betterment of your communication skills and receive real-time feedbacks of your performance. Third thing is the data-driven preparations. AI research tools provide like data-driven insights into common interview questions, industry trends, and company culture, uh, enabling you to prepare more effectively and confidently. So confidence is also something that you can gain because you now will have more understanding of the data and the industry trends using AI tools because it provides you with the latest uh, knowledge base. Fourth thing is increased confidence. Conquer interview anxiety. Many people have anxieties during interviews. They are not able to talk, but with AI-driven support and practice, you can feel more prepared and confident, and you can go to the next level and increase your chances of getting through the interview. So, what AI tools, how these are like step-to-step guide, and how you can use AI tools for every step of your interview journey is starting with something very basic, having a resume. And a resume writing is something that you can do using uh, AI tools available online, generating optimized resumes and cover letters tailored to specific job requirements. You can have multiple types of job requirements, or maybe one specific area that you are targeting. So, resume writing is something that you can do. So I am putting forward some generalized steps to use these platforms. Okay, so what I will do is I'll maybe just because I have some uh, websites and tools that I have in my mind which I can share and actually go ahead and um, create resumes and do practice sessions on them. We'll go through that, but let's see all the points that we are interested in talking about today. So second is, of course, interview preparations, conducting realistic mock interviews with AI-powered virtual assistants, receiving feedbacks, communication, body language, judging the body language, and the content as well. Question research. Again, it is very important for you to understand what data you're looking for, and using AI, you can access AI-powered database for common interview questions, specifically the current industry trends, what industries are looking for, and whatever company-specific insights you want to know. And finally, the self-assessment that you can do for judging the strengths and weaknesses and actually getting a proper feedback, which is again AI driven. So whatever preparations you do, you can ask the AI tool to give you proper feedback and learn and understand how you can improve. So starting with resume writing, again, some things that we need to understand is because it is AI powered, it is very important to provide correct details. So provide details about your professional experience, skills, education, your hobbies and other things. And you may be also asked to upload your existing resume for reference, but more specifically, I would say that you should always go ahead and start from scratch and write start writing a new resume, giving new inputs to it because of the trends right now it is changing. So second thing is AI analysis. The platform AI tool utilizes AI algorithm to analyze your information, and it identifies relevant keywords. It checks your achievements and it gives you proper formatted suggestions on what you can use for your resume. Then comes the resume building. So based on your inputs and the AI analysis, the tool generates a draft resume basically with various formatting options and templates. Again, you can change the templates whenever you want. Uh, Going ahead with the customization, so you can customize the generated resume by adding personal touches, editing whatever content you don't require, you can remove them, and adjusting the layouts to fit your preference. Finally, you can download, export, and once it is done in various formats, it will allow you to download in PDF, docs, etc. So, so building your resume using this specific tools is something that I found was very helpful. So I'll just visit this particular site, which is already open here, and let's see how this works. Uh, so I will provide some input to the this tool, and let's see how well it comes up with the final thing. So here you can see a lot of templates they give with whatever color combinations you want to go ahead with. So choosing a correct template is also necessary here. So let's go ahead with maybe this and choose template, create a new resume. Okay. So the first thing they will provide this template here, and you can give your details like your name, everything here. So let's start with this pre-fill data, and you can see it is updating here, and you can add other informations to the resume like your LinkedIn profile, websites that you have built, and other details. You can preview everything at the first step itself. You can see whatever details you have added is being added here. This is not very interesting, but then going ahead with the work history and job seeking. So this is basic questions they ask in between. Okay, work history next. So let's say my job title that I have right now is senior engineer, and employer SJ Innovation, current company. Location maybe something, and start date. I'm putting random data here just for you guys to understand. I will say currently working here. Okay, so now comes the AI tool and how you can use AI. So here you can see for senior software engineer, it is giving you recommendations of what you can add to the briefs and details about the job that you do. Okay, uh, add recommendations. So see, four recommendations got added. So let's read through what is being added. Stayed currently in industry trends, incorporating emerging technologies into new projects when appropriate is something that I do. Yes. Contributed valuable insights during product planning sessions. Yes, of course, that is something that we do. Optimize code performance for improved user skills. So you can see how accurately it is giving a proper job description based on the job title. So you can add more here. You can read through, and you can add whatever seems okay to you, and you can also manually add something here, building apps. So specific, and you can say, okay, next. You can also preview again. You can see it is being added here like this, very clean. Uh, Next. So this is the first work history. You can add more positions here, your previous working experience, you can add here. Next is education. Uh, Nothing. So let's go ahead and add the education. So I'll just add one education here. I'll say master's degree, and I'll say Goa, Goa University. Uh, Goa, select degree, master, computer, and okay. So next. So this is the first education details that you have added. You can add again more details to it. And also you can add additional courses to the specific degree that you have. So next skill is adding the skills. So it shows where exactly it will be added. So you can see it is targeting this particular area. So we'll be adding skills. So again, AI comes into picture here and says these are the skills that the software engineer, senior software engineer will have. You can just say add skills and it gets added. You can add more here, software application, and also again write something of your own. Also, you can add the skill ratings here. You can say prominent enough, good, bad, out of 5. Next summary. So you can see the skills are added. And next, briefly tell us about your background. So again, this also you can add extra section is being added here somewhere around. Okay, so do you have anything else to add? So you can say, I want to add uh, languages. It will be added here, and maybe certification. So say, what language do you know? English. I'll say 4. Add one more. Hindi. 3. And this is what again? Okay, certificates. So I can say I have Amazon certificate in finalize. So you can see it is created here. You can click next, and then you can download, of course. So you can see here again, it is allowing you to change color and the templates. So you can choose whichever one you like. Okay, uh, and you can download, print emails, send to anyone. So yeah, this is the tool which you can use for the resume writing. Going back to the slides again. So I have listed more 3 to 4 tools that you can use. Preparing for the interview. Okay. So many of us are familiar with the classic technique of practicing, which we do, like most of the people do, is practicing in front of a mirror, or maybe mobile recording nowadays. What we do is we record ourselves and then we look at the video and judge based on the video how well it went. Also, we send it to one of our friend or maybe show it to our parents and ask them for the mistakes or whatever good happened in that video so that we can improve. But that was a traditional method, is what I feel today. But this AI preparing along with AI method, it allows you to visualize yourself during the interview. Okay, adjust your body language, and also work on your delivery, how you deliver the replies. Okay, again, the traditional methods have limitations. Okay, and that is why it is advised to use this AI powered tool. So fortunately, we have access to new generation AI powered tools. So what benefits you can get again is developing communication skills. Uh, you get good experience. It is more interactive. You can practice answering questions, receive real time feedback on your communication style, and even like stimulate the pressure of real interview. Okay, uh, mastering the art of storytelling. So this is one thing that we look into, like whether you are able to narrate properly of what you are trying to say. Uh, the AI tool will actually help you to structure your response using storytelling technique to engage your audience and stimulate interview scenarios, receive personal feedbacks. Again, repetitive thing, but then you receive feedback on how effectively you convey your stories to leave whatever impressions on the audience or the one who is interviewing. Identifies the proper areas for improvements, and you get tailored insights of your strengths and weaknesses. And specifically using AI tools, you will be able to identify areas for improvement. That is what is the feedback here. Okay, and you'll be able to focus on specific goals. Like if you want to target something for improvement, you'll be able to do that. One point here about uh, the simulating interview scenarios is you can practice common questions and answer them. Okay, like you can create interview environment, like managing pressure and stress, and developing the ability to think like on your feet and respond like under pressure. Okay, and probably this will increase your chances of success and you will be fully prepared to make a strong impression. And okay, so for this also, I have listed three tools that are there. One of which is Udly. So let's see what Udly has got. Okay. So Udly again is something very similar to your traditional practices where you should practice in front of a mirror. This gives you uh, ability to practice on a video call directly and access to camera. Okay, let's see how this will be. Um, so here you can practice directly using any mock test of your choice, or maybe just to record your speech to see if you can speak confidently in front of the camera. Because nowadays more of people like taking interviews on Zoom meetings or video calls. So yes, that is one thing. So this tool I found helpful again. What this video? Okay, let's see how this works. Uh, so, okay, not this. Sorry, my Mac is not allowing the camera access. We can skip this, but of course, maybe you understood what exactly I'm trying to say here is practicing using videos on, and again, this is AI powered, so again, it will give you a proper feedback of what went wrong uh, and what you can correct. There is one more AI tool, Speech Coach, which helps you in again the speech and debating. So, I'll show you how it works. So again, the basics. High quality speech and debate coaching in terms of when you open Skybox, it'll pick a speech and debate event. So it'll give you a topic to debate upon. Okay, and you will be able to click and record and give your speech to it. Once you finish, speech coach AI will process your speech and offer extensive feedback and actionable advice of how you can improve. So this is also a very helpful tool that you can use. uh, Speako is also again a tool that you can use to get proper confidence uh, of real-time meetings, real-time interviews, and debate sessions. So going back to the slides. Okay, why and how to use AI tools. So here I have listed some points which say that dive into AI-powered database. So gaining access to this collections of extensive data for interviews, interview questions, industry trends, and company-specific insights is something that AI will have the latest. Okay, and again, it depends on how you streamline your research. Uh, Thorough research is crucial here for like a successful interview preparation, and like of course, research will help you understand the type of questions you might be asked, gaining insights into the company culture and values, and properly stay informed about the industry trends. Uh, Again, personalization is something that you can do. It saves you a lot of your time. Uh, Identify frequently asked questions specific to your industry and target company. Uh, it is a comprehensive approach, is what I feel. A vast pool of resources beyond what individual research can provide. Like when you go on Google and search for things, it might not give you very accurate things, but here, to if you stick to a specific topic and keep asking questions, you will be provided with proper responses and replies, which will be very helpful again. And customization and efficiency, optimizing the research time, focus on targeted areas, tailoring to research your specific job requirements is something that you can do using AI tools. So we know about two specific things here on the go, like ChatGPT and Gemini is something that people are using very extensively here. and everyone knows about these two platforms. And there are advantages and disadvantages of using ChatGPT or Gemini. Uh, ChatGPT has been blamed of giving old data and not the latest one, whereas Gemini has not been accurate with giving responses, even though it has all the latest results. So there are a lot of complaints. But then I am going to talk about something that our company uses, that is Build Your AI, collaborative AI. So let's see what this is about. So our company uses Build Your AI, a tool for custom AI development. And what we do using this is we have a specific AI that we can make for ourselves and use it. And we also give this to our clients and ask them to use it for specific job requirements and whatever things they are looking for. So let's see. So I will show you the platform here, collaborative AI. So using this, we have already made many AI assistants to specific topics. You can see the recent one that I made is something related to Git sheet book. So how this works is you give inputs to the AI assistant, and you upload PDFs and other data relevant to this whatever topic that you're looking for, and then this will work according to the data that you have put. So let's see if we can create one assistant here. So I'll create one simple assistant which will help. Maybe let's choose one topic saying I want to learn maybe Node.js or something like that. Okay, so let's say we are looking for something related to Node.js PDF. Okay, so here when you create the assistant, first thing that it will ask is the name of the assistant. So let's say I want to name it Node.js helper, and you are a helper. So you give instructions to the Node.js helper. So this also you can take from the assistant, and you can say, use this as instruction, give the description, proper descriptions to what exactly this assistant would do. And you can also add, because you have already, I believe you guys have already used Chat GPT and Gemini. It has the conversation starters. So you can add your conversation starters saying that what are you looking for, or what specific things this particular AI assistant can do for you. And you can choose model here, ChatGPT 3, and specifically you can also target to have the code interpreter if you're looking for something related to code. And a retrieval is something that it actually checks the files that you have uploaded to it. And you can uh, check this, and when the AI assistant is looking for data, it will first check into the files that you have uploaded. So let's work through one of the assistants, maybe let's say Git. Okay, so I have already opened Git chatbot. Okay, so I've uploaded 6 to 7 PDF files of all the Git commands, because this comes in handy for me, because sometimes I may forget about some of the commands that like day-to-day commands. Of course, I can recollect on the go, but then some commands when I get stuck, of course, I come here and look for it. So I have the conversation. So again, this is the name of the assistant, and this is the description that is given. So what it does and what you can get out of this is explained here. So these are the conversation starters. So let's say I'll say want to brush up Git skills. So it will give me specific and tell me most used Git commands. So it will give you details about, like, it will first look into the PDF files that you have uploaded, and it will give you all the commands and all the details about the the prompt that you have put. So I think this is something that is very helpful for us in day-to-day life.